Happy Monday, everyone. I'm at the Chapman job, and the shell has arrived. Got some, what do we got here? Some extra pool bright, extra grout. Let's get this covered up. Don't want that to get ruined. That's a lot of money right there. Got some extra tile. That must be for the spot tiles. Let's go see the progress back here, over here in Mirabella. Let's see. You ain't gonna walk so fast when you get my age. Look at that beautiful towel. That's Aquabella. I like that stuff. That's high end. Look at the nice little spa. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yard's got good and dry. Time to get some coping. Sure, we passed our 502 inspection. That's that bond wire for safety that runs all the way around. Coming along good. Coming along good. Luxury spa jets. Most people don't do these, guys. Check your look. Check your little look there. There's a triple, and there's a quad, and there's a single. So that's the way it's supposed to be done. A lot of folks, they just don't do that. They just want to be quick. We're not trying to be quick, even though we build our pools in about 90 to 120 days. According to how big it is, and if they're getting an outdoor kitchen and a screen enclosure. So here's a quick little overview of where we're at. I'm not sure the exact date, but I say it's about week 6. About week 6. So anyhow, y'all have a blessed day. Oh yeah, where's the, there we go. There's the spillway. Pressure's still up, we're good. Y'all have a blessed day. See ya.